Hello everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 26 of 30 tips in 30 days how to get stuff done. And today I have another book review for you. Today's book review is Inspired Action by Erin Elizabeth Wells. Create more purpose, productivity, and peace in your life. And rather than trying to show it to you backwards, I'm going to turn the camera around and show it to you frontwards. So there we go, Inspired Action, and there's a picture of the identification page if you are interested in following up. It was published by Chosen Course Press. Oh, there's the birds. Nope, the birds have left. Okay, and all right, so Erin Wells and Inspired Action. Now, I first was introduced to Erin when she did two different courses over a couple of years for the Institute for Challenging Disorganization, of which I am a subscriber. It's a education and research-based organization specifically looking at ways of helping individuals with challenging disorganization to manage disorganization a little bit better. Most of the subscribers are professional organizers and life coaches, social workers, psychologists who work with people with challenging disorganization. And Erin has done a couple of classes on productivity and time management for ICD, as we call it. Now, this particular book, Inspired Action, really spoke to me when I looked it up on Amazon, because it, once again, like Brian Tracy's book, Eat That Frog, it's broken down into truly bite-sized pieces. Each chapter is relatively short, which makes it a really easy read. If, like me, you're practically asleep by the time you crawl into bed and you're reading at nighttime, then it's very easy to get through a chapter or a portion of a chapter and feel that you've accomplished something. The specifics that she includes are in fact very specific, so I found it very easy to follow along and to take pieces that I could use. Even as much as I've read and as long as I've worked in the industry, there's always something to learn, so I love it when things are broken down specifically into pieces that I can take away easily. So she starts with part 1, the destination, defining your purpose. Sound familiar? Part 2, the route, the passion, the dreams, and the lifestyle. And then she moves on to blend a boat theme. Gee, no wonder it spoke to me, right? And talks about mending the sails, the energy management, rigging and spars, tools and systems to get organized, your helm and rudder, task management essentials. Ballast overboard, simplifying, getting rid of that stuff that no longer serves you, your crew, leveraging your team, the journey, everyday meaning, and course correcting, know you where you are, and getting yourself back to where you want to be if in fact you find yourself not where you want to be. So I recommend it to you. It was not very expensive. I got it on Amazon. I in fact got the soft copy, the paperback copy. I do believe it's available also in a Kindle or e-version if you are interested. So I hope that's helpful, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye now.